damn claw is in my hand, Erlen. Ow. Okay. Oh, you gonna run away just because you didn't notice I was videotaping you? You're so mean. You're so mean. You're sitting all the way over there.